Nida writes down two different prime numbers. She adds together her two numbers. Her answer is a square number less than 30. Find two prime numbers that Nida could have written down. So the first thing we can do is start off by writing down all of the square numbers that are less than 30. So 1 multiplied by 1 gives us 1. 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4. 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 9. 4 multiplied by 4 gives us 16. And 5 multiplied by 5 gives us 25. 6 multiplied by 6 is not less than 30, so we can't use this for our answer. The next thing we can do is write down some prime numbers. So the prime numbers below 30 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. So we want to find two of these numbers which we'll add together to make one of these numbers. So if we start off with the square number 1, as we can see there aren't any prime numbers which we can add together to make 1, so we can cross this out. Next we can move on to 4, and again there are no two numbers which we could add together to give us 4. And although 2 add 2 gives us 4, Nida has written down two different prime numbers, so this will not work for 4. Next we can move on to 9. So if we take a look at our list of prime numbers, 2 add 7 gives us 9. So 2 and 7 are two prime numbers which we can add together to make a square number. And there are no other prime numbers which we can add together to give us 9, so we can move on to 16. So again, if we take a look at our list of prime numbers, 3 add 13 gives us 16, and also 5 add 11 gives us 16. And finally 25, 2 add 23 gives us 25. And these are our four possible sets of prime numbers which we could add together to give us a square number. And any sets of these prime numbers would get us the mark for the answer. Now this question's worth 2 marks. We'll get our first mark for identifying at least one set of prime numbers which we'll add together to give us a square number, and our second mark for one of these correct answers.